Blood on the trading floor this afternoon. Steinhoff shares took a massive knock after the company issued a statement. In it, it says it will delay the release of its much-awaited results. That move, of course, coming as forensic investigators try to make sense of the numbers. Well, reporter Michael Marilia joins us now with the latest. Mike, deeply ironic that, today is exactly the same day, 6th, of December, that Steinhoff shares took a plunge on like today last year.
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm told that you're going to celebrate your first anniversary with your beloved wife in June, and you're probably going to get her some flowers or a nice card, maybe even some jewelry. What did Steinhoff investors get? Well, afraid to say, they got an 11% drop in the share price. As if the crisis wasn't bad enough, we saw a real plunge in the share price today after that statement came out. This is what it looked like for the first few hours after the JSE opened. 11% down, Vuyo. Clearly, investors getting nervous about this announcement that the financial results are still not ready. Just take a look at the where the trade was at 9 o'clock, and then that rapid dive down to 11% lower. Let's take a look at the bigger picture quickly, Vuyo. This is the past 18 months or so, and it really does look as if Steinhoff was on the edge of a cliff. Take a look at that sharp decrease in December last year. It was trading at around about 60 Rand at one stage, and then a massive drop. Currently trading, Vuyo, at around about 1 Rand 50 per share, and that translates to a loss of 90% in the market capitalization of this particular company. I want to quickly take a look at another graph, and this shows you some of the good times. Vuyo, take a look at the middle of 2016. It was trading at around about 95 Rand per share. It was one of the darlings of the JSE. In fact, if you look at the value since then, it has lost almost all of its value. In fact, 98% down. It really is just a shadow of its former self. And a quick figure for you, Vuyo. During that crisis, when these accounting irregularities surfaced for the first time, over 4 days, it lost roughly 200 billion Rand. What is 200 billion Rand? Well, it is actually 5% of South Africa's GDP. So in other words, 5% of the total size of our economy was lost in a matter of days during December 2017. Now that we've had this latest announcement saying the results could be delayed even more, it's anyone's guess as to what's going to happen with this share price.
Truth be told, though, Michael, yes, 11%, drop in the company's price, but it's just exacerbating what was going to be a very terrible anniversary in any event, irrespective of whether they had released those results.
Absolutely. And speaking of anniversaries, 2 other dates which I think viewers will want to remember, Vuyo. That's February 2019, so that's roughly 2 months' time. We should get the forensic report into Steinhoff's finances, and the company is saying it's hoping to release results for 2017 and 2018 in April next year. So we'll be keeping an eye on developments and the share price in the lead up to those milestones.